How to create Instagram business account. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Instagram business account. For this, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down a bit and find the option of account type and tools. Now tap on switch to professional account. Tap on Next. After that, tap on the Switch to Professional Account option. Here, you want to select Business, then tap on Next. Now, you can also connect a Facebook page. If you want that, tap on Log into Facebook. If not, tap on Skip. Now, it will give you instructions on how to set up your professional account. So, go ahead and follow these steps. Once that is done, your Instagram business account is ready, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.